Hello student friends, I am Kesavamurthy from Coimbatore. In today's video, we look at some of the questions raised by students who are studying 10th standard students in terms of further education and the job prospects. The question number one, one student asked where we can study aerospace or aeronautical engineering or how to become an astronaut. So this is the question. I am combining three questions in one question. So nobody studies to become an astronaut. That is number one. But then you can study aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering in various colleges in India. One of the premier institute in aerospace engineering is Indian Institute of Space Technology, IIST. This Indian Institute of Space Technology is situated at Trivandrum, Thiruvananthapuram, and the admission is based on JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, conducted by Indian Institute of Technology, that is IITs. So the admission is based on this JEE. So one can write JEE and get into this particular college. And then it is a 4-year course. There again they have three branches. One is aerospace and aero materials, and another particular one more branch is there. So the course is conducted in Trivandrum in two locations. One inside the institute called Indian Institute of Space Technology. Other one, the other location where some coaching is done is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. In fact, this Indian Institute of Space Technology is sponsored by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. So people who are completing that course have got a good opportunity to get jobs in ISRO and various other space research organizations all over the world. That is number one. Number two, some students asked, what about Agri courses? Okay, let us look at Agri courses. There are the most popular Agri courses, BSc Agriculture, and then we have BSc Horticulture. These are all 4-year courses. And then one more course is called BTech Agri Engineering. So in the higher secondary, you must have taken the group 1, that is PCM and B, that is Physics, Chemistry, Maths and Biology, that group, or Physics, Chemistry, Botany and Zoology, that is Science stream group you should have taken. And then if you want BTech Agri Engineering, then you should have studied mathematics. But if you want to go for BSc Agriculture or BSc Horticulture, then probably you can take with maths or without maths, any of these two science groups. Okay, here the cutoff is calculated taking the marks in all the 4 subjects into account, and equal weightage is given. They add all the marks and divide by 4. So that will be the cutoff, and based on the cutoff they give the admissions. So agriculture, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University has locations are located in Coimbatore, and it is in Periyakulaam and in Trichy. So you will get admission in one of these colleges. And Tamil Nadu Agricultural University is considered to be one of the best agriculture universities in the country. So one need not look for any other agricultural universities when you get an admission in Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. The third question is automobile design. Now what to do? One is after 10th, one can do diploma in engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, and then simultaneously they can do some design courses such as CATIA or Pro-E or SolidWorks, etc. Or they can go to higher secondary, complete the course, get into engineering, either mechanical or mechatronics or electrical or automobile, and then start doing courses like CATIA and design courses, SolidWorks, etc. simultaneously. So that will pave way to get into automobile design kind of profession. Then the fourth question is how to prepare for Neet. Neet is an exam conducted for getting admission into medical colleges in all over India. In Tamil Nadu also medical admissions are given based on Neet exam. This exam conducted on subjects on 11th and 12th syllabus, that is Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Now these are the 3 subjects are taken into account. It is conducted for 720 marks. So generally the Neet cutoff for a general they should score at least 600. For a BC category, they should score at least 560, and like that it goes. So one has to prepare, one has to join the science stream in the +1, +2, and then start preparing Neet on your own, or you can take some online courses, coaching that is given by various institutes. Okay, or it could be offline coaching also. And for government school students, nearly 7.5% of the all the seats of government colleges, government medical colleges is allocated to government school students. That comes to roughly about 300 seats. So this is a great boon to all the the students who are studying in government schools. But there are some criteria. They should have studied in government school from 6th to 12th, like that. And there is some other criteria is there. One has to look into the criteria and see whether you are eligible to get admission through that scheme. Then the third is how to enter, prepare for JEE. JEE is an exam conducted to get admission into IITs and NITs. IIT is Indian Institute of Technologies and NIT is National Institute of Technologies. This is again based on the preparation, syllabus of 11th and 12th. You should start preparing from the 11th in the beginning itself. So it's one of the competitive exams. So your preparation you should start early and then start preparing for it. Either you can go for prepare on your own, or you can go for online coaching, or maybe offline coaching. IAS, since you are in 10th, you have to do +1, +2 and then a degree. Then only you can write IAS exam. But now onwards, you can start reading the newspapers. You should, in my opinion, you should read 1 or 2 English newspapers and at least 1 Tamil newspaper every day. And then you can read books like Competition Success Review, etc. to improve your general knowledge and then improve to get more information about Indian administrative service. So that you can start up like that. So these are some of the questions raised by some students, and the answers are given in the online counseling session. The same is given in this video. Hope these question answers will be useful to you. And then in case it's useful, you can share this video to your friends, your colleagues and your schoolmates. And we plan to give coaching only for NTSC Stage 1, Stage 2, and then NMMS and Trust exam. And perhaps we are thinking of giving coaching for KVPY. Thank you.